A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for central LAMAR County. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. At 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado. This tornado was located 11 miles west of West Hattiesburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near West Hattiesburg by 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. A tornado warning means that a tornado is occurring or imminent. You should activate your tornado action plan and take protective action now.